Shall we do one more example? How do we find a rational number by applying this mean method? We have two numbers 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So A and B. So A plus B by 2 is a rational number between A and B. So apply the same formula to find the rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. That is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 by 2 gives us LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 gives us 8. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. And these two we write here. And 8 plus 9 is 17 by 12 and by 2 means 17 by 12 multiplied by 1 by 2. Division by 2 means multiplication with 1 by 2. Gives us 17 ones are 17 and 12 twos are 24 is the number which lies between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. And we need to find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. If we follow this procedure, it's a long way to find. So I will show you a simple one how to insert 12 rational numbers between two given integers. Okay. We need to insert 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Clearly, we see that we have only two integers between -1 and 2, that is 0 and 1. But we want 12 rational numbers. What shall we do now? Let's find out equivalent fractions, that is equivalent numbers for -1 and 2. -1 can be written as -1 by 1 and 2 can be written as 2 by 1. We multiply both the fractions by 2 by 2 to get -2 by 2 and 4 by 2. -1 into 2 gives you -2 and 2 into 2 gives you 4. So we got -2 by 2 and 4 by 2. And between these two fractions, that is between -2 by 2 and 4 by 2, we get -1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 2 and 3 by 2. How many we got? We got only 5 fractions. Let us see whether we get by multiplying by 3 by 3. So -1 by 1 and 2 by 1 are multiplied by 3 by 3 to get -3 by 3 and 6 by 3. Between these two fractions, that is between -3 by 3 and 6 by 3, we get -2 by 3, -1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. How many we got? We got 8 fractions. They are not sufficient because we want 12. So if we go on multiplying by the next number, that is if we multiply by 4 by 4, 3 more fractions may increase. But we want, that is we get only 11 fractions. So straight away we will proceed to multiply by 10 by t and see. 10 by 10. -1 by 1 is multiplied by 10 by 10 and 2 by 1 is multiplied by 10 by 10 to get -10 by 10 and 20 by 10. So this -10 by 10 and 20 by 10 are nothing but -1 and 2. So between these two numbers we get -9 by 10, -8 by 10, and if you go on writing in your notebook till 19 by 10, you'll get 29 rational numbers. But we want only 12 rational numbers, so you can choose any 12 rational numbers to write. So interesting, isn't it? So why do we wait? Do the homework given. Find 10 rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 4 by 5 and see whether you can find 100 rational numbers between 2 and 3 and see whether you can find more number of fractions. Okay, bye-bye.